Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see revision of word problem. Okay, so revision of word problem in multiplication. Okay children, here we complete multiplication. The next class you will be getting division. Okay, next class what you will be getting? Division. So the class test will be conducted the next class itself and it will be a written test. Okay, so it will be a written test. The question will be given. You have to write the statement and you have to show the multiplication and you should write the tables also. All these three are must. Okay, you should write the statement. According to that statement, you should multiply and you should write the table also. For the statement also the marks will be given, and for the multiplication also the marks will be given, and for the tables also the marks will be given, will be allotted. Okay, okay children. So write all the steps. Don't leave, just don't write whatever it is given. Don't multiply. Write the answer and keep. Then you will lose the marks for the statement. What you have to write. Now we will see the first one, children. Now I'll read the question. There are 4 keys in a ring. So in a ring, how many keys are there? There are 4 keys. How many keys are there in 5 such rings? So in one ring there are 4 keys and there are 5 rings. How many rings are there? 5 rings. So totally how many rings are there? After writing the question, even in the book also, in the test book also, CTN also, leave 2 lines. Okay, so leave 2 lines. After that start writing the statement. Okay, leave 2 lines. After that start writing the statement. So the statement according to this, what you have to write is, there are 4 keys in a ring. So what you should write, children? Number of keys in a ring. So how many keys are there in a ring, children? How many keys are there? There are 4 keys in a ring. In one ring, how many keys are there? There are 4 keys. So I am going to write here 1. On the top of that, you left 2 lines here. Now in the first line, write the place value ones, because here you have only one number. So write ones, and after that, before that, you write tens. Okay, so you will be getting carryover. So you can write it there. Okay, so the next one is, how many keys are there in 5 such rings? So number of rings. What is the number of rings? How many rings are there? 5 rings are there. So number, number of rings. Okay, rings. How many rings are there, children? 5. So write into here and 5 straight to 4. Okay, because even 5 is also only 1. So you should write it in the ones place. Now what you should find out? You should find out totally how many keys are there, right? Totally how many keys are there in 5 rings. So the statement is, therefore. This is the symbol for therefore. Therefore, total number of keys in 5 rings. Okay, so I am going to put bracket and put equal. Okay, now we will find out the answer. Total number of keys in 5 rings. Okay, now which table I should write, children? I should write the table of 5. I should write the table of 5 till which number? Till 4. So table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. Okay. So 5 fours are how much, children? 5 fours are 20. 20. 0 you should write it ones place, and 2 you should take it out carry, because here you don't have any number. You can write it that directly in the tens place. Okay, because if you take it as carry once again, you may multiply. So only I am writing it down. Understood, children? So the question once again I read. There are 4 keys in a ring. How many keys are there in 5 such rings. Okay, so the first statement, what you should write? Number of keys in a ring. In a ring means in only one ring. In one ring, how many keys are there? 4 keys. So you have to write it here. Just draw the line and write the tables next to that. Okay, this is how in the test also you should write. Don't leave any point. See, statement also you should write. You should do the multiplication and also the table must and should. Okay, understood, children? So this is how we have to write. So totally how many keys are there in 5 rings, children? Totally how many keys are there? There are 20 keys. Okay, totally there are 20 keys. Okay, this is how you have to write it. Okay, the next problem is there are 3 wheels in one tricycle. What it is? There are 3 wheels. Okay, there are 3 wheels in one tricycle. How many wheels are there in 6 such tricycles? So in one cycle there are 3 wheels. Okay, in one tricycle there are 3 wheels. The same way, there are how many tricycles? There are 6 tricycles. Okay, how many tricycles are there? There are 6 Totally how many wheels are there? We have to find out. So first, after writing the question, what you should do? Leave 2 lines to write the carryover. So okay, after writing this, leaving the 2 lines, start the statement. Number of wheels. Number of wheels in a, or one you can write, in one tricycle. So in one tricycle, how many wheels are there? There are 3 wheels are there. So write here 3 and write straight to this place value in the first line. Ones, tens. Okay. So next sentence. How many wheels are there in 6 such tricycles? So the next statement what you should write is number of tricycles. Tri means 3, right? Tricycles. Number of tricycles equals how much? How many cycles are there, children? How many cycles are there? How many tricycles are there? 6 tricycles are there. So write below 3, 6. Okay. So the next is what you should find out. You should find out total number of wheels in 6 tricycles. Okay. What you should find out, children? You should find out total number of wheels in 6 tricycles. Therefore, total TOTAL, total number of wheels in 6 tricycles. Okay, so you are going to find out in 6 tricycles how many wheels are there. So now you should write the table of 6. So draw one line here and write here table of which table, children? You should write the table of 6 till 3. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Okay, 6 threes are 18. So now we will write the answer. So 6 threes are how much, children? 18. 8 you should write it in ones place and 1 you should write it in the hundreds place. Okay. So totally how many wheels are there in 6 tricycles, children? So there are how many wheels? 18 wheels are there. Okay. So totally how many wheels are there? There are 18 wheels. Okay. So third one, children, there are 43 bananas in a basket. So how many bananas are there in a basket, children? There are 43 bananas. So how many bananas are there in 6 such baskets. So in one basket there are 43 bananas and there are how many baskets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 baskets are there. So totally how many bananas are there you have to find out. So first we'll write the statement, children. So first, number of bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas in a basket. In one basket, how many bananas are there? How many are there? There are 43. Okay, there are 43 bananas. On the top of that, you write the place value. Okay, so next is how many bananas are there in 6 such baskets. So number of baskets equals into 6. Okay, now what you have to find out? You have to find out altogether or total. So therefore, total number of bananas in 6 baskets. Now we have to find out. Okay, so now we have to find out this equals. Okay, so now what we should do? We should write the table. We should write the table of 6 till 4. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Okay, 6 fours are 24. Now 6 threes are how much? First we should multiply the number in ones place. So 6 threes are how much? 18. 8 you should write it down and 1 you should take it as carry to the tens place. Now 6 fours are 6 fours are how much? 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 5 you should write it in tens place and 2 you should take it as carry over to the hundreds place. Because here you don't have any number, so you should bring down the number as it is down in the hundreds place. So totally there are 258 bananas in 6 baskets. Understood, children? So how we have to do? Follow the method and write the answer. Okay, this is the last word problem. Okay, the question is, a book has 90 pages. On single book has how many pages, children? 90 pages. How many pages are there in 4 such books? So in one book there are 90 pages and there are 4 such books. Okay, there are 4 such books. Totally how many pages are there you have to find. Okay, so first write the statement. Number of pages in a book. So in a book how many pages are there? 90 pages are there. So write here 90. On top of that what you should write? Place value. Okay, on top of that you should write the place value. So second, how many pages are there in 4 such books? So number of books, not pages, number of books. So how many books are there? 4 books are there. So number of books equals into 4. Now only you should write total number of pages. So what you should find out? Therefore, total number of pages in 4 books. So now we have to multiply and write the answer. Okay. So which table you should write? You should write the table of 4. Write the table of 4 till 9. From 0 to 9 you should write. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Okay, so 4 nines are 36. From 0 to 9 I have written. So now we have to find the answer. Multiply 4 zeros are how much, children? 0. Straight to ones place you should write 0. Now multiply 4 nines are. 4 nines are how much? 36. 6 you write it in the tens place and 3 you should write it in the hundreds place, because here you don't have any number to multiply, so directly bring down the carry over. Understood, children? So totally there are 360 pages in 4 books. Okay, understood, children? Totally there are how many pages? There are 360 pages. Okay, children? So here we complete multiplication, and next week you will be having the class test, that will be conducted in written test. Okay, you should write the test in your Maths CTN. Okay, children, understood the concept? Okay, children, prepare well for your class test. Take care. Bye.